what happens if I need a larger mortgage for my new home? And so, great question. You've lived in a home that's this big. Now you want to move to a home that's this big, or maybe you're moving from a condo to a townhouse, or a townhouse to a single family home. I think that lots of people wonder, can I afford a new mortgage? Can I get a larger mortgage? What should I do? So there's a couple of options here. First of all, you can port your mortgage. So the existing mortgage that you have, you can port it to the new property. Maybe use a line of credit or your cash to make up the difference if you've got really favorable terms. You can pay out the mortgage. So the mortgage that you have, if you don't want to port it, you can pay it out, get a new mortgage for the new place. Or you can do something referred to as porting and increasing. And that's where the lender will say, your mortgage right now is $250,000. We will move it to the new property, but because you need $350,000, we'll give you an extra $100,000. And on the extra $100,000, we're going to do something called a blend and extend. So the interest rate on your existing mortgage is 3.5%. The mortgage on the additional $100,000, or the interest rate on the additional $100,000 might be 2.8%. So we're just going to average out or blend the interest rates to come out with an interest rate that makes sense. And many people take advantage of that option. In fact, it's a pretty smart option because it avoids a payout penalty. It's pretty simple to do. Many of the banks will offer it. And so if you need a larger mortgage for a new home, that's certainly something that you're going to want to consider. But depending on which road you go down, you'll want to think about payout penalties. You want to think about legal costs. You're going to want to know, does the lender allow it? You may have heard of this before, but there's sort of two big penalties involved in paying out your mortgage. If you need to get a larger mortgage and you just don't want to transfer it or port it and increase it, is interest rate differential or 3 months of interest. So if you're looking to move into a new home and you need a larger mortgage than the one you have on your existing home, you've got lots of options, and it does pay to think through the different options so that you know what's involved and whether or not it's a good decision for you.